Our world is alive with sound and color, a symphony of life in constant motion. But have you ever stopped to consider the unseen forces that keep this intricate web of life spinning? Among the most important are the pollinators, nature's matchmakers. Pollination is the vital process of transferring pollen grains, allowing plants to reproduce. 80% of flowering plants depend on animals like bees, butterflies, bats, and birds to carry their pollen. These creatures, in their quest for nectar, become agents of life, ensuring plant species continue. As they flit from flower to flower, they pick up pollen grains and carry them to waiting stigmas. With each transfer, a new seed is born, promising new life. Without these workers, our world would be very different. Imagine a world with fewer flowers, fewer fruits, and a barren landscape. Pollinators play a critical role in maintaining our planet's ecosystems. Biodiversity, the incredible variety of life on Earth, is essential for our planet's health. Pollinators are the unsung heroes maintaining this delicate balance. Like a spider web, biodiversity depends on the interconnectedness of all living things. Plants form the foundation, providing food and shelter for many creatures. Pollinators facilitate plant reproduction, crucial for this web of life. They connect species, ensuring the survival of plants and animals. Consider the monarch butterfly, relying on milkweed for survival. Monarchs lay eggs on milkweed, feeding exclusively on its nectar. This relationship helps control milkweed populations. This dance between pollinator and plant shows life's interconnectedness. From the coffee we sip in the morning to the almonds we snack on throughout the day, pollinators play a vital role in bringing food to our tables. It's a sobering thought. 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat depends on the hard work of these tiny creatures. Imagine a world without the sweet taste of strawberries, the juicy crunch of an apple, or the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee. This is the reality we face if pollinator populations continue to decline. Pollinators are responsible for the production of a vast array of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds that make up a significant portion of the human diet. Their contribution to global food production is estimated to be worth trillions of dollars annually. Beyond the direct economic benefits, pollinators also contribute to food security, ensuring a stable and diverse food supply for people around the world. By supporting a wide variety of crops, pollinators help to buffer against the impacts of climate change, pests, and diseases, ensuring that we have access to a nutritious and diverse diet. Beyond the hive, pollinators and a healthy planet. The benefits of pollinators extend far beyond our plates. These tiny creatures play a vital role in maintaining the health and stability of our planet's ecosystems, providing us with clean air, clean water, and a stable climate. Pollination is essential for the survival of wild plants, which form the foundation of terrestrial ecosystems. These plants provide food and shelter for countless animal species, prevent soil erosion, regulate water cycles, and absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By supporting healthy plant populations, pollinators help to mitigate the impacts of climate change, one of the most pressing challenges facing our planet today. Forests, for example, act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing billions of tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere each year. Pollinators also play a crucial role in maintaining water quality. By supporting healthy riparian vegetation, they help to prevent soil erosion and reduce nutrient runoff into waterways, ensuring that we have access to clean and safe drinking water. A world without pollinators, a call to action. The decline of pollinator populations is a global crisis that demands our immediate attention. We are at a crossroads, facing a future where the buzzing symphony of life could be silenced forever. Imagine a world where the vibrant colors of wildflowers fade to memory, where supermarket shelves are bare of the fruits and vegetables we rely on. The causes of this decline are complex and multifaceted, ranging from habitat loss and fragmentation to pesticide use and climate change. But one thing is clear: we cannot afford to stand idly by as these vital creatures disappear. The good news is that we can all play a role in reversing this trend. By planting pollinator-friendly gardens, reducing our reliance on pesticides, and supporting sustainable agricultural practices, we can create a world where pollinators can thrive once again. The fate of pollinators is inextricably linked to our own. It's time to recognize their invaluable contributions to our planet and take action to protect these tiny guardians of our ecosystem before it's too late. Let us work together to ensure that the buzz of life continues to resonate for generations to come.